Hello everyone, in this video I am going to tell you that how you can download Google Drive on your laptop or computer. So first thing first is just open any web browser and type this URL. After typing this URL, this page will be open. Just you have to scroll down. You will see an option download drive for desktop. Simply click over here. Your Google Drive will start downloading over here. There is another method also. When you are going to log in on your drive, there will be a setting button over here. When you will click on the setting button, you will see get drive or the desktop. So when you click over here, again your downloading process will start. Your download has been completed now. Just click on this arrow button and just click over here. When you click over here, this folder will open and here is the setup of your Google Drive. Double click over here. Press on yes button. You will see this dialog box on your screen. Add an application shortcut to your drive. Definitely check this box as well. There will be another check box over there. Add desktop shortcut to Google Docs, Sheet and Slide as well. So click on install button again. So Google Drive successfully installed. So click on launch button. After that you will again see a dialog box. Simply click on get started button and then click on sign in option. Here you have to select that email where you want to log in that Google Drive. Click on sign in button. Your login has been successfully done. For more such kind of video, please subscribe my YouTube channel.